Okay, what's up, guys? So we start from 61, and I hope I can solve 61, 62, and 63. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so 61. A is 2 by 2 real matrix. And if A equals to A inverse, and trace. Uh, Wait, so the it looks like we only have these properties, and A is not identity. So what I solve this is I brute force solve it. So I set A equals to ABCD, and A inverse is AD minus BC. This one. So A inverse equals to A. So we have B equals to minus B AD minus BC, and the C equals to minus C AD minus BC. So if B is non-zero, then AD minus BC is 1. If C is non-zero, then AD minus BC is 1. So okay, so we see we check each condition. Suppose 1 is true, then suppose 1 is true, then A inverse is basically, suppose 1 or 2 is true, then A inverse basically is dA minus B minus C, and it is the same as A B C D. Oh, sorry, AD is BC is minus 1 minus 1. Yeah, so it's sorry, what I'm writing about. This is not correct. This A is minus 1 D minus B minus A C. So this is A B C D. So this tells you that minus D is A, and D is minus A. So you have these two this condition. Then trace A just A plus D. So it's minus D plus D is 0. Is 0. So if 1 or 2, if B and or C is non-zero, then we have the answer is 0. So basically we already know this should be the answer. However, what if B equals C equals 0? Then A equals to A 0 0 0 0 0 D. Then A inverse is 1 over A 0 0 1 over D. If this is the same, then A squared is 1, D squared is 1. So you have two choice. You have 4 different kind of permutation. But remember that A is not identity and negative identity. So if A is 1, then D is minus 1. If A is minus 1, then D is 1. So A plus D is still 0 0. So we already consider all the cases. So the answer is C 0. So this is amazing problem. I think so. It's okay. So 661 is the number. The answer is C. Answer is C.